How to activate dark mode on iPhone. First is by opening your Settings app, scroll down and look for Display and Brightness, and make sure to choose dark mode right here on the right side. Simply click on that one, and then your phone will turn into light to dark mode. So there's another option that I can give is by going to your control center and then scroll down and look for the dark mode option right here. Click on the plus button. Click on the plus button right here. And then there you go. You have the dark mode right here. So you can easily now turn your phone into light mode or dark mode just by going to your control center. You can see right here, the dark mode option is on the lower right corner of the screen. So you may click on that one to turn into light mode or click on it again to turn into dark mode. So that's it. That's how you can activate dark mode on iPhone.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.